Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. Today we discuss topic about that OG title. What is the OG title? What is the purpose of OG title? So we are writing for meta title description keyword. Same like that, what is the OG title? Meta title description keyword visible to for search engine purpose. Visible to for search engine purpose. But OG title visible to for social media purpose. Which one? Social media purpose. I'm coming to services. Click for here, copy the URL. When you click this option, share from the Facebook. See this one. This will be Astro Sai Shankar website. But here we write it for family, Australia in New York, solve family dispute in New York. The give option will be here. Control U. First of all, we can check for the description. So where it is. So Master Uma Shankar, the famous Australian in New York, contacted us to solve the family dispute and related problem in New York. But here, what is the showing for Master Vijay Verma? G is a famous author in New York. They show it for completely different. Where is the wrong? Your double P admin writing OE title will be completely wrong. So that how we can resolve the problem? How to rectify? Just I'm logging my account in this. Where exactly your pages are there? Go to pages. Which page I'm writing? File family dispute. Go to particular page. Edit. This plugin name is called All-in-One SEO plugin. We have to install already. If this scroll down, social setting. What is option will be there? Copy. Go to social setting. We can changing will be here. Previous what is there? Master Vijay Verma. Control U. Is changing for here. G famous Australian New York. Contact your solve family dispute or related problems in New York. Update. The simple option that is called social setting. If it's a PHP website or anything, we're writing for particular URL structure that is done by developer. But in this one, you can write your own by OG title, by WordPress website. The plugin name is called All-in-One SEO plugin. Once you install each and every page, suppose I go to another page, subnet and diverse, copy URL, check with social network. Are looking for stop separate and diverse Master Vijay Verma ji. You are wrong, you will be there. So you can go to this separate and divert. Go to pages, you will update is done. Once update, go to other page, changing the option. So what the page? Stop, separate and everything. So page wise, we can resolve the problems. Are you looking separately here? Your phone number is there. So we can, I think it will be Okay, save. So we can go to social icon. The writing for something will be option will be there. We can update it. Click for update. After this one, we can once again will be add the URL. Completely changing will be happen for a particular website. It's taking some time to update the URL. Just close it, discard, refresh, Control F5. Once update this file, Control F5, we can check with them. So Control U. Your description and the OG description both are compulsory will be same. See this one. Is it clear? These are your particular option will be given by the OG title. So social media separate and SEO will be separate. Don't will be using separate on the separate title and description. If you are using the separate title description, go with the OG title will be social media purpose. SEO wise will be separate. If anyone ask interview question, social media wise, SEO wise, can you use the different social media network title and description? Yes, we can use. SEO will be separate. Social media will be separate. Social media purpose, what we can use? OG title. Is it clear? OG title. The disk call will be very, very important for the particular users. Will updating for OG title. What is the plugin name in WordPress? All-in-one SEO plugin. Go to the particular page. Click for select. What option name is called? Social settings. This option will be particular user using for updating for OG title purpose. This will be very, very important. If you go to the particular website, Control U, see this one. What's the title? See the title. In a page website, they're using for same title description. They display by the SEO and the social media purpose. Same we can use, different also will be used. That is called open graphs tags. Does it mean by OG title and OG description, OG keywords. In this, where you can call this is a title, this is a description. In a PHP, we can using for OG keyword also will be used, depend on the user. But WordPress is mainly focused by the OG title and OG description. So this is very, very important for the website SEO and social media display title and description purpose. Any particular question about the OG title, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.